Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a mascara review, and today I'm testing out the Essence Makeup Princess Lash Volume Mascara. So I've never actually tried an Essence mascara, but I've seen these talked a lot about on TikTok and things like that, about how amazing they are. And they're also really affordable. Now I actually got this on Vinted, but you can also get them on Amazon, but they're a bit more pricey on Amazon. You can get them in the range in the UK, and you can also get them from Just My Look, which is a website in the UK, for a cheap price as well, and cheap delivery as well. But I actually got this from Vinted. I think I only spent about £1 on it on Vinted. I also got another one too. So I'm curious to see if they're actually as good as everybody's saying. I've never actually tried it. I have nothing on my lashes now, but I have the rest of my makeup on. I'm actually currently filming a foundation review as well at the same time. So let me zoom you in so you can see how my lashes are currently looking at the moment. So this is how they're currently looking. There's absolutely no product on my lashes at the moment, no primer, nothing. So now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then I'm going in with one coat of the mascara, depending then whether we do another coat or not. So let's go. So this is what the wand looks like as well. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking after one coat, and honestly I'm not thrilled. It's looking very clumpy, and it was quite clumpy when I was applying it. It's okay. I'm definitely not going in with the second coat because it's just already clumpy enough. It's okay, but I'm not thrilled by it. Like, everybody raved about this and it's just like average to me. So it's actually feeling quite heavy on my eyes. A normal mascara doesn't tend to do that for me. It also hasn't curled them very much. It's given them volume like it said it would. It has given them volume, but I think it's very heavy and very clumpy, and therefore it's not holding the curl, so it's dropping. Definitely not going in with the second coat, but because I only paid like £1 for it plus shipping, so I paid about £4 for it, then it's okay. If I spent a lot of money on this, then I'd be annoyed. I think I need to put it in the fridge though, because it is very clumpy and it needs to like declump in the fridge, so I need to try that and hopefully that will help. It's looking okay. Like I said, I'd probably rate it like maybe a 6 out of 10, but like I've said previously in other videos, I am very fussy when it comes to a mascara. Most people will probably like this. I'm just very fussy, and my eyelashes do not hold a curl, so I've got to have a really good curl mascara, which this isn't great. It did give me volume though, so that's good. It's just not holding the curl. Like this side already dropped. I do have another one which is a curl one to try out, so I'll try that out at some point. But like I said, I only spent about £4 on it, so it's no big deal. Probably not even that, maybe like £3 something. So yeah, it's okay. It's average. That's my review. This is an average mascara. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!